This review is on rjenda.com, and here's the homepage. Now I have to tell you that I was involved in the design of this web-based application a few years ago. So I did some of the user interface design, but the website has moved on quite a bit since then, so it's not quite the same application that I recognize. So looking at the homepage, I'm going to start with first impressions, getting attention of the visitor, and also looking into conversion. And what I'm then going to do is do a little bit more advanced SEO analysis to look at ways of how the site might get some more visitors. So first impressions then of this landing page, it looks very clean. It's nice light grey background, pleasant header. The logo is strong, but I would say that because we designed it. And then we've got some simple benefits in the middle. It is telling you what it does. Schools can proactively manage workload and stress for each student. I don't think that's a fantastic introduction. There's a login, quite a nice stock image there, which feels appropriate. So we've got this nice kind of blue and orange balance going on, with green used as a spot color there to draw attention. And then we've got 3 main links at the bottom, all of which are clickable. That's quite pleasant. So the homepage very clean and feels professional from the off. But the first thing I notice is this heading, and it doesn't work for me. And I think that to start with, it says schools can, which feels like a bit of quite an indirect statement. It's just kind of mentioning something in passing. What it's not doing is it's not saying why it's applicable to me, the visitor. It's not speaking to me personally, and there's no offer or invitation in that phrase. Schools can do this, that and the other. It's just like a dead statement almost. Personally, I also find the word proactive or proactively to be a little bit of a buzzword as well. And then we've got manage, workload and stress. Now workload and stress are quite heavy words. Workload, stress, they're both, I think, have a bit of a negative connotation. So while this phrase is kind of telling you what is available or what the system does, it's not really pitching it in a way that's enticing or exciting for the visitor. So, I mean, let's think how we may be able to flip some of those negative words. We could say something like, helps your school easily manage and plan all your students' work. So we've got you in twice. We've got helps your school. So helps is a positive word. Your school is calling out to you personally. Easily manage. So easily is the opposite of workload and stress. Manage and plan all your students' work. I think that would probably make a difference. That's the kind of thing I would definitely advise split testing.